So hello everybody. So in this short we are going to discuss very fast what is maxillary sinus. So we all know that there are total 4 paranasal sinus, frontal, ethmoidal, maxillary sinus and sphenoidal. So majorly we are going to cover the maxillary sinus in this video. So what is maxillary sinus? What is sinus? Sinus is basically hollow air-filled cavity which is lined by mucous membrane. Okay, so we all know that there are 4 paranasal sinus: frontal, ethmoidal, maxillary sinus and sphenoidal. What is frontal sinus? Frontal sinus is basically within the frontal bone the sinus is situated, that is known as frontal sinus, which is behind the superciliary arch. Okay, now the ethmoidal sinus is where it will be in ethmoidal bone. Sphenoidal will be in sphenoidal bone. So the maxillary sinus, the important one, so it is the largest sinus, also known as antrum of Highmore. Why it is known as antrum of Highmore? Because the morphology was given by Nenethiel Highmore. So the communication is very important to know about the maxillary sinus as the surgical point of view. So the ostium, which is the opening of maxillary sinus, is located in the middle meatus, and it is located in the middle meatus, and the opening middle meatus and nasal vestibule also, the shape is pyramidal, and the dimension if we talk about is 36-45 mm, width is 30-23 to 25 mm, length is 38 to 45 mm, the average volume is 15 ml. Now if we talk about the histology, so the epithelium, if we know, the epithelium is like pseudo stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. We all know by breaking the term, pseudo means false, stratified which means strata, so it will appear as strata but it is not actually stratified. Ciliated means finger-like projection. So there are total 3 layers. Okay, epithelial layer, basal layer and subepithelial layer and periosteum. So these 3 are like combinedly, these 3 are known as Snyderian membrane. Snyderian membrane, this is very important. Okay, the ciliated epithelium has 3 type of cell. Okay, the basal cell, columnar cell and goblet cell. So these are like the basic of the maxillary sinus, which you all need to like just write in exam if it comes like for 3 marker, like, or if it comes for even long marker, you can just write this down. Now the function of maxillary sinus, so the function are like there are total 5 function. Okay, so first is like the lightening of weight of skull, filtrate the expired air, and the moisturizing, like the moisturization, like how will it will moisture with the help of mucin. Mucin is coming from where? Like the cilia. The fourth is like protection. How it will protect? Because it like produce the immunoglobulins, I guess the M immunoglobulins, but I cannot remember, like I will just check it and then tell you guys. Then the fifth is resonance of voice. So these are like the 5 main function of maxillary sinus. I hope you all like understood it very well. So like it's a kind request just to subscribe our channel and please click the bell icon to get the notification, and if there like any modification or like such things which you guys are not able to understand, please write it down in the comment. And if you need like the full-fledged video on the maxillary sinus with all the nerve supply, arterial supply and clinical consideration, please let us know, and then we will just get back with the new video. Thank you so much, and please comment down which next topic we should make.